My recipe calls for buttermilk, but I don't have any. What can I use instead? This is a question we get a lot. I have 3 great options for you. Why do we use buttermilk in a recipe? Buttermilk is actually an acid that you add to your ingredients, and it gives you a nice tender product. The first option is to take a cup of milk. It can be either skim, 2% or whole milk. You can add to that a tablespoon of lemon juice or a tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm going to add the lemon juice. You just simply add it to your milk, give it a quick stir, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready to put into your other ingredients. Another option is to use cream of tartar, 1.5 teaspoons here, and that is also an acid. It will not change the flavor of your milk, however. Buttermilk has a sour flavor or a tangy flavor. And then your final option is to use plain yogurt, and that will give you the sour component as well as the consistency of buttermilk. These are 3 great substitutions that you can use for your buttermilk in your recipe. If you have any questions, give us a call or go to our website.